right? Of course, learning from mistake is important. Being aware, mindful about it is also important. But you cannot put yourself into the victim mindset. And that's what has led to where we are today. Yes or no? Yes. We're proud about it. Yes or no? Yes. We're proud about the journey that we had until now. Yes. And we are going to ensure and make sure that we are going to have success here onwards. Yes or no? Yes. Who was that? Might be few of you who like to be in company of people. I like people around and I get energy and derive energy from them. Some of them like to work in silo. They can be more focused when they are alone. That each and every individual is having depth of willingness to operate and perform better. कि अगर ये नहीं आया तो पता है इसकी टीम में ये है तो she will ensure that he comes in.
As a leader, when you take the stage, when you take the mic, it has to be a confident communication. You should be able to convince through your communication your client, your team that we will nail it.
I recently had my maternity leaves over and feeling not motivated after that, because before that I was able to deliver at the lead position even when I was in a senior architect position, or not senior test automation engineer position. Now being in test architect itself, I was not able to deliver. Now I feel motivated, so I would say never miss this chance.
Yourself. How many of you are curious about knowing who you are as a person? Because guess what? You all know what this subject is. Think about it. There's something wrong. 1 minute 53 seconds. Coach the person. Find solutions on what is it that he is missing on. Do we operate without a scope of work? What happens when we operate without scope of work? Mess. That's what's happening in the game right now. But as a leader, you got to protect your energy. How are you spending your energy? You got to be very mindful of that.
Yeah, it was a kind of an eye-opener. There are a lot of things that we know about ourselves, but we're not very, when someone else tells them to you, then you don't know about yourself actually. So yeah, I found out what are my strengths, what are my areas of improvement. Coming out from the team, when you work with them in different situations, very similar to the real world.
At times, of course, that safety mindset comes in, that I want to be safe, I want to play safe. कि मुझे गलती नहीं करना है. I should be right always. And it's very conditioned from our childhood. कि marks कम नहीं आने चाहिए, घर में गेस्ट आ रहे हैं तो सब परफेक्ट होना चाहिए. तो कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो मिस्टेक नहीं करेगा. Like your performance, different activities, you perform differently.
To demonstrate my feelings right now after 2 days of a leadership training, the one word metaphor that comes in my mind is ignited, forged, when we are strengthened and refined like a metal in fire.
मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ, मैं वहाँ जाके दूसरे का भी काम कर रहा हूँ और फिर मेरे नंबर्स मिस हो रहे हैं यहाँ पर. I want all of you to give tough love to each other.
The whole of a workshop, I would like to name 2 movies. Okay. First one is Anjaan. The reason being is we are into a self-discovery mode. So we were able to achieve that. जब तक है जान चलता रहेगा. Okay, because we wanted to implement that level of learnings into our day-to-day activities and achieve a higher goal.
That I had in last 2 days is like individual capabilities will take you to certain heights, but the moment those capabilities join together as a team, that will take you to the sky.
Because I always struggle in my mind with all the thoughts. Okay, I have to do some household works. As a female married woman, I have a lot of household work. So always there is running, I have household work, I have to reply to a mail, I have to client, I have to give feedback. I'm getting the clarity that if you are not focused, you will be failing in all the works, whether it's a household, client handling, your own team or your own self. You want to go to exercise, you will fail it. So always clear in your mind. So that 2 things I definitely want to.
Yeah, do a little longer clap for yourself. Longer clap. बजाते रहो. Yeah, you deserve that. You kept the family away, kids away, spouse away, everything away. मोबाइल पे भी नहीं देखने दे रहा हूँ मैं. I've been strict.